So I'm just going through this process. This is the smart link for CarPlay. Going to link it up to the car. So all I've got to do is plug it into the USB slot down there. Turn the ignition on so it gets some power. It's already picked up smart box there. So on the phone, I just go to Bluetooth and connect that one, pair, and then it will, oh, it's asking me on the phone, use CarPlay, and there we go, all working, navigation, phone, and my wife's music selection. So you get a
Fresher said, "Hi Lucy, your upcoming appointment with Tanya's Beauty." Those are all your messages.
So you can see the whole lot works great, and it's just this tiny little button in here works perfectly. I'm just going to do a second video because just to show you, it's not connected. The Bluetooth on this one is not connected. It's the smart box not connected there. So the ignition's off. I turn the ignition back on and the CarPlay connects instantly. That's quicker than it does on my car, so which I'm very upset about. Yeah, great device.
Miles at the roundabout, take the second exit.